my channel. Today my mom's gonna make this delicious Paneer Fried Rice. If you want to taste it, watch this video.
Today I am going to make a paneer fried rice. The ingredients are roasted paneer and cooked rice. This one basmati rice. You have to cook the rice until the grains separated. This kind of rice will be good for making fried rice. Then some more vegetables. I took half of capsicum, 1 carrot, some around 10 beans, some cabbage, then spring onions. White part I cut it separately, green part I cut it separately, green chilli, some cloves of garlic, 1 small onion, required amount of salt and soya sauce, then pepper powder. These are the ingredients we need. The first step for the paneer fried rice, we are going to fry the paneers. I already marinated with red chili powder, required amount of salt and some pepper for around 15 minutes. Now I am going to fry until it golden brown. Now add 1 teaspoon of oil, then marinated paneer. You need to fry until it turns golden brown. Now my paneer is ready. I am going to keep it side. Now keep the pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, once it gets hot, add the green chilies, few garlics, saute well. Now add the onion and spring onion white part. Saute until it gets some more softness. Add required amount of salt for all the vegetables. I already added salt in the rice, so just adjust it as per your taste. Now our onions are cooked. I am going to add our veggies one by one. The beans. It takes few minutes to fry. After few minutes we will add all other vegetables. That will cook faster. Now I am going to add all other vegetables, chopped carrot and capsicum, cabbage, and fry it. Don't overcook it. While eating the fried rice, we need to feel the crunchiness of the vegetables. So just fry until the raw smell goes. Now you can see my vegetables are half cooked. At this stage, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Then required amount of black pepper. Mix well. Now you can see my vegetables are cooked. It's nicely coated with soya sauce and pepper powder. Now I am going to add my cooked rice, basmati rice. The vegetables are completely optional. You can add whatever you like. Now I added my rice. Mix it gently. Then I am going to add my fried paneer. Mix well. Now it's ready. Last we will add spring onion green part and switch off the flame. Now our paneer fried rice is ready.
Now our Paneer Fried Rice is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like it, like and share. If you really like it, subscribe, the bell icon for all notifications. Be safe.